So I teach the massage ball, foam roller, and the mobility routine for people to get to know their own body. Now, when you start out, you'll be spending 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes even on each of those, just to really get to know your body, get to know your tissues. But ultimately, you want to be able to feel your body. You can get that scanning process down to 5 minutes. 5 minutes massage ball, 5 minutes foam roller, 5 minutes on the mobility routine, and really do a lot with that. And then as you get better, you don't even have to do everything. You just go straight to what you need. So that process is about getting to know your own body and what's going on. Sometimes it's good just to go through your whole body and just as a check-in. I find that myself. I usually, like when I'm teaching classes or teaching a new client the routine, I find it really effective for myself as well. But you've got to prioritize. There's only so much time in a day, so you've got to work out where are your imbalances, where are your weak links, where are your restrictions, and get to those and be consistent with those and open them up. Use a foam roller, use a massage ball, and use the techniques that are most beneficial for your body, your joints, and what you need. So doing that every day will allow you to align your body and balance it out, so that way you can get stronger and your whole instrument is just tuned and you feel so much better.